Hello friends, I Ayush welcome you all to my channel Ayushtipsntricks. Today we will learn yet another Excel application which is the advanced text functions in Excel. In our previous video we have learned how to use the simple text functions in Excel like the upper function, lower, trim, proper function to change the case of the text that we used to write. But in today's function we will learn how to make use to extract the text out of or the alphabets or the part of the string that we are going to use. So let's start, and before that I once again request you to kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like the video and share it with your friends. So friends, let us start. So our first function is the len function. Len means to find out the number of characters, including the space and the numbers in a given piece of text or a string. The syntax of this function is very simple, which is equal to len bracket open the text for which we want to find the characters and bracket close. Few examples are, suppose I want to know how many characters are there in this text, which is Alan Jones. So what I will write, I will just simply put the formula as equal to len bracket open, give the reference of the text for which I want to find the number of characters and bracket close and hit the enter. So I will get the result as 10. Similarly, for this text, that is the alphabet, how many characters are there? So simple, equal to len, give the reference of the cell for which we want to find the number of characters, bracket close and hit the enter button. Likewise, we can find for this. And suppose we have an alphanumeric character also, or the alphanumeric text, then also we can find out this by simply putting the same formula, which is equal to len, the number of characters which we want to find, that is equal to len bracket open b23, that is the cell reference, and bracket close and enter. So it will give me the output as number 6. So hope you guys have understood this function. So let's move on to the another function, which is the find function. This function is used to find the location of a particular character from the given string. Remember few points in this, that if the text contains more than one reference to the letter, the first occurrence is used. This is my first point that you have to remember. An additional option can be used to start the search at a specific piece of text, thus enabling the search to find the duplicate occurrence of the letter. So if we want to find the duplicate letter, we have to give the specific reference of that point where the character should be there. And the third one is, if the letter is not found, the result shown will be a null value. So these are the three basic points, and the most important point is that this function is case sensitive. Okay, if you want to find capital A, it will look for capital A only, else it will give the result as null or the value. So the syntax for this function is equal to find bracket open letter to look for, comma, text to look inside, the reference text, comma, and the starting position of that text. This third part is optional if you want to give or not to give. So let us see a few examples. Suppose I have written a word hello and I want to find the position of the letter, which is E. So the formula that I will use will be equal to find bracket open, give the reference of the cell that we want to find the letter from. So my cell reference is here is C27 and comma and the reference, the base reference where we want to find the text from. So it will give me the position as 2, and here the position is 2. Suppose I give it as welcome. Now the position should be of this letter should be, it has given me again as the letter as 2 because it will give the first reference only. And suppose I want to find the position of the last letter. So what I'll do, I'll just give the reference as the starting position to count from as suppose 3. So the position has come out to be 7. So let's see it is true or not. WEL number 3, COM 6 and the 7. So my last E is at the 7th position. Suppose I want to find the value of M, the position is given me as 6. Similarly, for hello, I want to find the position of letter H. The position is first. Position of first L, it has given me a 3. And if I want to find the position of second L, I'll just give the reference as 3. And reference I'll have to give it as 4. So this hello is at the 4th position. Similarly, I want to find the position of uh, A, which is the capital A in my name. So it has given me the letter as 1, which is equal to find the letter which I want to find, comma, the base reference, which is B30. And the last example to see it is case sensitive or not, I've written my name in the small letters, but I want to find it as a capital A. So I'll just make the formula equal to find bracket open the letter I want to find, comma, the base reference, and then hit the enter, and it has given me the value as value, shown me an error because it is case sensitive. So capital is A is not there in the entire text. Hope you guys have understood this function. So let's start with the third function, which is left. So as the meaning suggests, it will help me to check the substring from the left hand side of the text, which is the starting most character. Okay, so the syntax of this function is equal to left bracket open my original text, comma, and the number of characters which I want to extract. Suppose in this example I have letter as apple and I want to extract only one character from this. So the formula I will write as equal to left bracket open the base reference, comma, the number of characters I want to extract, and bracket close, and hit enter. So it has given me a letter as A. Suppose I want to find 3 letters from this. So it has given me as A double P. Another way to write this function is, which is very simple, as equal to left bracket open the base reference cell and the number of characters I want to extract and bracket close. If I don't want to give the cell reference, I can simply write the letter as 3. Or suppose in this example, I have given the reference of this cell and number of letters as 3, or say here I want to find the 4th letter. So it has given me as band, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. It has extracted 4 letters from the text. And this is my alphanumeric character, which is having a special symbol also, the hyphen symbol, and I want to extract the 6 characters out of it. Or I say I want to extract only first 5 characters. Again, simple formula equal to left bracket open B20, which is my base reference cell, comma, and the cell reference of the character that I want to extract. That is 5 characters I want to extract from this base cell. It has given me the letter as 56545, which is the first 5 letters from the left hand side of the string. This is very simple, and similarly to the left, we have got the right function. So what will do? It will extract the letters from the right to left. The function remains the same. Instead of left, I will put it as right, bracket open, the base cell reference, comma, number of characters I want to find, and bracket close. Suppose I want to find only 4 characters or 3 characters. So it has given me the 3 characters from the right hand side, which is N, E, and S. Similarly for this, if I want to find only the say 2 characters, so it has given me the last 2 or characters it has given me as the output. Now the main function, which is the mid function. This function is a little bit different from the left function and from the right function, but it is still very easy to understand. Mid function will give me to extract the middle value from a given text. Okay, so the string or the syntax for this function is equal to mid bracket open the base reference of the cell, comma. Here I have to give the reference of the starting position. That is the starting position from where I want to extract the character from. Then comma and the number of characters to be picked. Okay. Here in the previous function we simply put equal to left original text and the number of characters. Here this start position is added to it. The function remains the same. Let us suppose this, I'll take this example, I'll put it as welcome, and the starting position I give as 1, and I want to find the 3 characters, or say from the second position the 3 characters, or say 4 characters I want to find. So the my formula remains equal to mid the middle reference, which is my base reference, comma the number of characters I want to extract, comma the starting position of the character I want to extract, comma and the number of characters I want to extract from. So here it has given me as ELCO, which is the 4 characters from the after the second position. Starting from the second position is E, L, C, and O. Suppose here I write it as hello. So starting from the first character, I want to find the 4 characters. So it has given me the from the first 2, 3, and 4. It has given me the first 4 letters. Or say from the third position, 2 letters. This is the third position, and 2 letters are double L. So now output is L and L. Likewise, I have got this example wherein alphabet, the symbols are there, the numeric value is there, again the symbol is there, and again the alphabet is there. Suppose here I put it as like this, and I want to find the numeric value from this text. Suppose we have got our employee IDs like this, roll numbers like this, the file name like this, and I want to find the numeric value or the year. Say this is 2020, and I want to find the year out of this, and say this is 2020 slash 1. So this is my first file of 2020 with the name ABC, and I want to find the record of the year. How will I find it? I'll put the formula as equal to mid, the base reference of the cell from where I want to pick the characters. Then I'll give the starting position. I want to start from the fifth character, and the year is of 4 digits, so I give the number as 4. So here is how I have found the year or extracted the year from the base text. Suppose in this example, to 2020 dash, say employee ID, employee name is there, and here I read another text, and I want to find the name of the employee. Okay, so my name of the employee is from the fifth position again. So I will write it at mid B225, which is my base cell reference, comma. The starting position is from the fifth digit start, and the number of characters is pick is 7 characters, or say 6 characters. So it has extracted the name from the given text. This is how we used to find or extract the text which is from a large string, and we can find it from the left hand side, from the right hand side, and from the middle. So guys, hope you understood these functions. These are very simple functions. First is len to calculate the length of the text, then the find function to find the position of the text, left to extract the left characters from the left hand side of the strings, the right function to find the to extract the character from the right hand side of the string, and the mid function to find the or to extract the character from the middle of the string. In our next video, we will learn the advanced way of how to use these functions when we have a large text in between. So till then, this is all from me at this point of time. I'll say goodbye. So do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others.